Alright, so here are some of the things that I use to start off with. Got a lot of these things from Amazon. Conditioner I got from Marshalls, and it's a pretty good brand, Matrix. And I'll use this to dilute the color. I'll start out with this ultraviolet Manic Panic, and I'll use a lot of this. Yes, so ultraviolet Manic Panic. Go ahead and open that and see how pigmented that is. Next, I'm going to use the Blue Steel Manic Panic. This is a really pretty color. I mean, if my hair was light enough, I'd probably use my whole head for this color. Yeah, start with that much, and then you can always add a little bit more depending on what color you want. Yeah, so at my level of hair, this will show up pretty decently. So I'm gonna give this a whirl and see how it turns out. Alright, let's do this. So this is my hair color right now. If you want to have a fun change, this is the way to go. My color is looking a little bit brassy, which is why I chose to go with like a purple color. Oh, already like got it on my forehead. Ugh. So let's go ahead and part my hair. Okay, so I part my hair and I'm gonna just brush it out with my paddle brush. As you can see, I don't really brush my hair very often. My hair gets frizzy really fast, so I only really brush my hair if I'm planning to curl it or if I'm planning to add some color into it. This is a shirt I don't really care about. I like it a lot, but bleached it on accident. Gloves on. Start off with a small strand. Go ahead and just brush that onto your highlights and where the parts are bleached. I'm gonna leave the ends a little bit bare and finish that later, just because they're a lot lighter than the rest of my head. And I'm just gonna fly by through this process. Just want to make sure you get an even coat throughout. I'm gonna add a little bit more right here. My towel just came off completely. Too lazy to grab it. Facing this way. Go ahead and add some blue. Brush it out. It really shows in the camera how purpley it is. Probably let it sit for 10 more minutes. I still have quite a lot of dye left, so I'm gonna go ahead and save this for my friend Lotus, who is downstairs right now and wants to tone her hair. I'll go ahead and see you in a bit.